Hello, greetings, my friends. This is Gilles Mancillon. I wanted to come and speak today very briefly for it is a very, very challenging time. It's going to be revolutions all around the world. For we're living in a world that is with this sanitary tyranny. It's like we feel like in some places like France, it's like we lost liberty, equality, and fraternity. We lost the republic to move into this fascist dictator. So it's like love only. It's very difficult to love all those people for like it's like God will always wait till the last moment. So hold on, ignore all those things, all the pressure. Just stay on to your truth. For the first thing in the morning that I came was the Archangel Michael. I'm going to spend the day with him. And so, but it's very important to call on the archangels or to call the Ascended Master to reposition you whenever you feel like you're distracted from the matrix. In the matrix, for remember, you are the Christ. The Christ light is like comes from millions of souls. It will not come in one single avatar. It will come through the heart of millions of people. It is the Christ and energy from the heart. Believe you are out of the matrix. You have to believe it to be out of the matrix, to be like Neo, and to be the singularity that breaks free from the matrix. In the matrix, there is no spoon. The spoon that bends is only you that bends. It's like understanding that. As long as you believe that there is a spoon and you need to bend the spoon, you will not bend it, but you can bend yourself. So the second coming of Christ is coming from within the heart of millions of people, throughout the heart of all mankind. Remember, you are the Christ. It says, I am the Christ. I am the God. I am. This is really the essence of the power that is given. But we have to remember the glorious light of God. For God lives within the heart of all. It is the twin flame, the true twin flame. As we merge our flame with the flame of God, we have this ignition of power and wisdom and love that comes out from within, to live the truth of God. For you are the moment of creation. For if we believe in this 3D reality, that means we're turning away from God and empowerment. So it's very important right now, because all the darkness it's going to become so evident, and it's going to become so even darker. It's like all the tyranny is going to become more tyrannical. It's like after that, people will have to face the cause and the effect of their action. But it's like there's going to be a lot of truth that we don't really want to see coming out. So just do not be distracted. Stay on to love, connect to your divinity, to be the twin flame of you and God, blazing as one. And pause and redirect whenever there is the need. Call on the light always. So to be distracted by any of the dark programs that are being played out right now. Well, I'm going to pull a few cards. For the situation, it's truly happiness. It's like, how can we be happy? If we really don't let ourselves be distracted by the matrix, by the darkness of the matrix, then we can find true happiness and joy. Around this situation is serenity, is not to allow ourselves to stay at peace within, to anchor that peace deeply. What we see before us that will come as in the future is going to be revelation. Revelations are going to be revelation after revelation after revelation. We have to be prepared for that. The liberation has already happened. It is anchored deep within our subconscious, and right now we are moving into knowledge, the knowledge of that God spark, of that Christ within. What is coming in the near future is meeting. We're going to meet the right people, for which really seeking our soul, but within the soul connection, there's like wonderful things that are just ahead. What our strengths within the situation is hesitation. It's the ability. We still have to be conscious of what is going on without, but we do not want to hesitate too long. For you hesitate, lose. So just know that your power within the situation is the solution. Be the solution. When you ask the angels and archangels and masters to give you another perspective whenever you need it. They're really there, rather than looking for all the things to find the solutions will find itself. What's coming to us from the outside world in the environment is temperance, is not to stay balanced regardless of the extremes that are being projected. What in our inner emotion, our hope and fear is communication, both communication that we're able to communicate and communications that are coming to us. And the outcome will be hope. It's got a renewed sense of hope. For they're really trying to remove the hope from people's lives. So do not let them, and just stay true to remember this God self within you. This very, very powerful flame and energy, and fuse your consciousness with it. and with higher guides, and then you'll see that they will remind you that all of that is just an illusion, a temporal illusion that humanity needs to go through in order to face the fact of all this, the darkness has been so much present, and all the functioning systems of our society have been dominating. But now we see it, and it's becoming extreme, and so this is the only way that we're going to bring it back to the surface, and then we're going to be able to evacuate it, transmute it. It's going to trust the divine plan, for we don't have all the ins and outs. But we have to jump into the sea and to return to the source. The highest wisdom is the time of living, departure. There is like time of living. If they tell us that we cannot travel by planes because we don't have this, for some people will get vaccinated and have no secondary effect. But and those who are tired of life in this planet, it's like you can get a shot, and some of them will be lethal. It's like a suicide plan and government sponsored, but. Well, it's my opinion, but not all of them will be lethal. The toxicity of the vaccines have been really decreased. But if we cannot take planes, we'll take boats. If we cannot take trains, we'll rent cars. If we can't go to restaurants, we'll invite our friends. There is always, if we have to not go to movies, then we don't go to movies. And for it's like it depends on which country. France is probably the worst of all right now, worst, most tyrannical. But it's all over the world, and it's like a revision of so many things. What we need to understand is the higher power. How do we work with those invisible forces? How do we become one with the God spark? And as we do that, there is an ignition of those flames, and the power of God manifests in our life, and nothing can interfere with this power of God. So becoming more conscious on how to work with the invisible forces, unite with this God force. What we need to do is the message in the bottle, to continue to read the signs that our God the life is sending us each and every day. And the outcome is the wind of change. Things are going to change. This summer is going to be very eventful. There's going to be a lot of transformation. And at some point, the snowball effect, well, it's going to snowball. The revelations are going to come. Godspeed. So just be purpose, stay calm, stay connected to your heart and the love of God within, no matter what is maybe showing up in the appearance of things, on the facade. Thank you very much for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing. Thank you for your donations. If you're in a private session, I'm going to do it for a few days, then otherwise it will be like within a couple of weeks. I'm going to sing a song. It's a song that was originally written with a romantic intent. I will sing it with this romantic understanding, but it could also be talked about the Big Brother. This song could be also interpreted with this intention of spying on everybody, and the loss of private life, of freedom, and so on. But we just if we have to be detached from all that. It's very important to remain enthusiastic and connected to happiness, and continue to cultivate those moments of happiness, those times of freedom in the eternal now of the One, and to be the eternal now of the One. It goes like this. It's called Every Breath You Take. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day, every word you say, every game you play, every night you'll stay, I'll be watching you. Oh, can't you see, you belong to me? My poor heart aches with every breath you take, every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you. Since you've been gone, I've been lost without a trace. I dream at night, I can only see your face. I look around, but it's you I can't replace. I feel so cold and I long for your embrace. I keep crying, baby, baby, please. Oh, can't you see, you belong to me? My poor heart aches with every breath you take, Every game you play, every night you'll stay, I'll be watching you. Every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you. Voilà, hein, I hope you're having a good day. Do not, it's just in France we feel like it's like poor France. It's like it's been it's going to be a lot of work to bring back everything to the return to the interest of the quality of life of government by the people for the people. It's going to be a lot of work, but it's going to be a great joy to return to the quality of life, the freedom of individual, the sovereign freedom of each being to be able to self-determine. As long as you do no harm, you should have this freedom. It is a God-given right, and today is really all kinds of doors are opening, regardless of what can be. It's really the card of the Chariot, the Lord Metatron, determination and self-control, career evolution, public recognition of a success. So it is all there. And it is all there. The doors to the world are about to open, and so just be determined, have self-control, be determined, know what you want, and trust that there's going to be a great deal of evolution in terms of success and manifestation of success. Just stay focused on that, on what is really wanted. I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you very much. Namaste.